Hey guys, what's going on? So I just posted a video talking about how much you can get paid out of 1 million streams, whether it be it on Apple Music or on Tidal or on Spotify and other streaming services. And I know you're probably thinking right now that that isn't so much money, and it's going to be really hard to actually really make a living off that money if I'm going to choose to make music for a living. So today I want us to talk about sales versus streaming, because I actually didn't talk about sales, because when you release your music through DistroKid, you're also going to be selling your music instead of just doing streams only. So that's something that I felt I needed to talk about, and how you can actually maybe make more money on top of that, because nowadays you really have to be really clever about how you can make income as a music producer nowadays. So we're just going to talk about how you can sell music and some tactics that you can use. Now the first thing is streaming. Streaming doesn't really generate a lot of money that you can actually expect to be so much. Streaming is okay, but don't look at it as a revenue source that you can just sit and wait on and think that that's just the only revenue that you're gonna get and that's it. But you have sales. Sales are good, but sales are a little bit harder than streams, because I mean, it's hard enough just to get people to download your music for free, right? It's really hard just to get people to actually just do that, just to download and take it for free for themselves. So sales is a whole other thing. But what you need to do is that you need to create a community. I mean, even if you have 10 loyal people or even 5 loyal fans that will be ride or die whenever you drop something, you are sure that they're gonna buy your music, that's okay. You build from there, build a community of fans that you know will keep supporting you, so that they understand that whenever they're purchasing your music, they are actually supporting you, instead of just actually purchasing your music and just thinking, okay, what is this music gonna do for me, and if I purchase it, you know, how's that gonna help me, because the music is also readily available to stream somewhere else or on another website. But people need to also support you, so you need to have those people know to support you in order to invest in what you're doing and help you in what you're doing. So nowadays you also need to try out different things, because you cannot just work in the studio and work on some music and release music and think that's all you're just gonna do, and you're just gonna expect money to come from streaming and sales only. You have to go out there and look for other ways and think like a businessman to actually make money. These other ways can be DJing. You have to go DJing and play at gigs. Gigs do actually pay money. This money will be okay. You can actually start to earn some money on weekends. Like, I know being a resident DJ is a good way to actually start earning a little bit of money from DJing. You know, you can be playing your own music and actually releasing your own music and playing it in the middle of all that other established music that you'll be playing whenever you're playing on those sets. So that's another way you can actually make money. You can go out and DJ, and you can get hired for like parties and gigs and stuff like that. And as a DJ, you can even buy or have a sound or a PA system that you can hire out to other DJs. That's a form of business that you can actually even do for yourself. A lot of people actually do that are DJs. They hire out PA systems to other DJs, or hire out CDJs or decks. And another way of making money is ghost production. I've spoke about ghost production on this channel as well. You can actually make money doing that as well. So now you're producing for other producers. You can work with other producers in terms of selling your projects, instead of just thinking of selling songs when they're complete with your name on them, but you sell the project itself to other producers. That's a way you can actually make money. Another way is, you know, if you're a person that makes beats or stuff like that, you can try different styles. I mean, you have people that are producers that are making beats and making house music. So not only are they just making house music for themselves, but they are also making beats that rappers can purchase and then release. Another thing is you can do mixing and mastering services. I do mixing and mastering services. That's another form of income that you can also be using to generate some money for yourself or for your business. So you can have people that listen to your music, other producers, listen to your music and see the quality that you have, and then have them come to you and ask, you know, for the service, and then you can mix and master the songs for them, and then you can charge them a fee. That's another way you can actually make money as well. And even consultation, like, you know, feedbacks and stuff like that, that's something you can monetize. Basically, if you have knowledge, you can monetize it. That's what a lot of people don't get. So when it comes to sales, you need to think about it in a way that's realistic, because nowadays things are different. People don't buy as much music as they used to because of streaming, you know, so it's different now. You need to also implement other ways that can help you also generate income from what you're doing. I know producers that are also doing graphic designing and video editing and shooting music videos as well. That's what I'm doing. You know, so you need to be a jack of all trades and have a lot of titles under your, you know, your hat, so that you make sure that, you know, as a business, you're doing a lot of things. Some musicians are actually full-fledged musicians, but they actually have a 9-to-5 job. You know, they actually have businesses that have nothing to do with music that they're running. So stuff like that is stuff that you can actually think of doing. So it's no longer about being narrow-minded and just doing the one thing that, you know, just doing the one thing that is music and think that you're just gonna make it. It's really gonna be tough for you, and I'm just gonna be 100% honest with you. That's how that works. So if you put all that together and you think about that and see what can work for you, and you build a community of fans and people that you can work with, producers and people that just listen to music and people that love the style of music that you make, you can be able to make a living off music, and things will actually go well for you. So I hope that helps you out, and let me know what you guys think about sales versus streams as well down below in the comments. That's all I had for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate everybody that's joining the channel. You can join the channel below to be a member of the channel and support me. AdSense isn't so much. I think you guys saw from my previous video, and you know, I want to keep making these videos, and I want to keep making these videos free for everybody to watch them. So if you join my channel, you can actually help me and support me to stay making these videos. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. I am X, and I'm out. Peace.